Good morning. Good morning. Back at it. So I got this wild call from Jeremy Rice at Tray 5 yesterday saying, hey man, does that Suburban run? I said, yeah, of course it does. It just burns oil. It leaks coolant, I'm sure. Well, long story short, he says, can you bring that thing down here? I have this crazy idea. I want to get it on the ground by Dino's. I said, let's do it, my man. Let's do it. You know I'm down. So here we are. Got the Suburban fired up. We haven't driven it since the last video me and Brian did, where we took it down there, got my wheels and stuff. So it's a pretty fun day. We got about, I think we're about 3 weeks out from Dino's right now. Maybe exactly 3 weeks. I know SEMA's next week already. And man, it's wild. It's a wild time out here in Arizona, but here we are. Follow along. We're back at it. So we got this thing running. Only took like 5 gallons of coolant, 2 quarts of oil, because we're gonna burn it on the way there. Special delivery.
We doing this or what? Let's do this.
Hey, tell me, why are we here and what are we doing with this thing, Hector?
Well, you see this big black thing here? We're gonna make things happen. You know what I mean? We'll see. I mean, it's here. We might as well, right?
That's the first step, is getting it here. Can you smell that oil that it's just burning?
It smells very interesting.
This thing has 320,000 miles on it. On this beat up 350.
We can do things with that.
Turn it back on.
We might have to push it now.
Really?
I don't know. It shut off. Yeah.
What is it? What does that sound like?
You know, your gas is just leaking all over the place, you know? Oh, man.
I got a new motor for this thing. Oh, yeah, that's a...
Oh, wait.
Hey, that's going to suck up in... Nah, that's why they flipped it. Yeah, they don't want that stuff to get sucked in and stopped. Yeah.
Oh, that makes sense.
Yeah. That is correct. Yeah, we got a new one of those. We got a new almost everything in this thing. Tray 5, world's okayest builder.
Yeah. Something like that. Paperwork. Don't do it.
What up?
Hey. This is how mine's gonna look right here. Just blue. Actually, mine is gonna look very similar to that. So in case you missed the first video we did on this Suburban, I got a custom set of 24-inch wheels made by AG Wheels, Avant-Garde. Jeremy helped me pick them out, pick out the back spacing, all the stuff we're gonna need. He knows all the smart stuff and engineering type stuff that gets these to fit. So 2410s in the front, 2410.5s for the back. These things are gonna be pretty dang slick, I think. I'll give it that nice kind of European look is what I'm thinking. You know, I like these wheels, kind of the flush face, recessed lip in the back with like a Spec 2 profile on the wheels. 2-piece wheel, aluminum with a brush polish finish. Outer lip is chrome. Pretty sick wheels.
A few moments later.
And we're back here at Tray 5, squeezing through. So these guys sent me some pictures like an hour and a half after I left here, and I was shocked. Now we're gonna walk in and see what they've been doing. Look at that thing. Oh my God, this is amazing. It looks so much different. So cool. I got my assistant today. We got Reese holding the camera. So we got Reese on the rig. Say hi, Reese.
Hi.
He's gonna be helping me out holding camera today. Just showed up to Tray 5. This thing is pretty sick, man. Way cooler than I thought it would look. So we brought it in. You saw the pictures of it. This thing kind of looked like a beater, a real big beater. And seen the pictures and seen it in person now on the ground. Tires on the wheels. This thing is sick. This thing just looks... Let me get out of the way. Hold the camera right there.
Hey, look at that camera guy. What's up, camera guy?
Dude, what did you do to my truck? Oh my God, dude, it looks like so elegant now, like presidential. Like it needs little American flags out of the front. So there's a lot going on over here. I can't believe how much work these guys can get done so fast. It's wild. So turn around real quick and show them what the chassis looks like. So here's what they're starting with. Factory 92 Chevy Suburban chassis. He's gonna take this, modify it what we need. He's laid the truck on the ground for now, the body itself. He's got the wheels kind of figured out where they're all gonna fit. He ordered the rear end. He thinks the rear end should be here by the time he gets back. And after Dino's, after all this stuff, it's go time. So get through SEMA, get through Dino's, and Suburban's turning into something that I didn't think it was gonna be this quick. And I'm really glad I brought it to these guys. Shout out everyone here at Trey 5. Jeremy's got a sick flame-throwing truck over here. What do you think of the truck?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. He approves. That's it. It's Friday. I got places to go, people to see. You know me. Peace out.
Dad, wait for me!
All right, it's morning of the Trey 5 open house. Gonna head down there a little bit, help them get it cleaned up. Also got a surprise in store. So if you remember, my grandpa gave me this truck. He owned it, original owner, but gave it to me. So I got it set up, gonna bring him down, surprise him, have him check out the truck. He hasn't seen this thing in years, so check it out, see if he approves, see if he disapproves. Who knows? We'll see how it goes. All right, buddy, I'm gonna show you your old truck.
Yeah. Is the truck right there?
That's your truck right there.
Oh my God.
Other stuff.
Wow. That's amazing, mijo.
Looks good.
Man, it looks longer.
It does look long, huh?
So you put the blue lines on and everything.
I'll put some paint on there.
But it be like that, the blue lines.
Yeah. You see the interior too?
Oh yeah. Close the door and take a picture of me and Grandma.
All right. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Thank you, mijo.
You're welcome. I'll send it to Grandma.
Okay. We better get going on it then.
Yeah, you can get going.
Feel like I'm at the tippy top of my game, looking down at the rafters. I had to son these boys, can't leave them bastards. A lot of dudes, just some undercover actress. I don't fall for it, I'm privy to all your tactics. Yeah, so try again, this time take a vitamin. Yeah, invite them in, welcome to the Lion's Den. And I'm Mufasa, big boss in charge of coming in like a bull. You see me raising the stock
The what?
The smoke. Look at the exhaust up here. Out of the
Oh, okay.
Do it again real quick.
That's okay. That's okay. That's pretty nice, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
I like that little cooler. See it?
Yeah, a little cooler.
Yeah.
I hooked him up with that.